working on day 2. We have our Rust programming a guessing game in the documentation, so let's set about guessing. Here's our screen share. So we have done cargo news guessing game, went into the guessing game. We've done the perfunctory staring at the the guessing game, and we looked at the cargo toml, which is literally guessing game. The addition seems to be tied to the versioning of the file itself, or versioning of the interpreter for the cargo toml. Version seems to be our own. So we control this. They dictate this, and the project name is what creates the name. So looking at our code thus far, guess the number, put your number. Mutable guess equals string new, stand in. Yes. Failed to read line or so the end. Interesting. So we set expectations, and when we fail them, .expect is hit, and after that, it does print line. It's a string. Very interesting. Let's see what else we got. So compiled and ran. We're open. We've got the source main RS file open. There we go. So their standard lib is use stand std ::io. The type you want is in the prelude. Remember Honda prelude. And you must bring it into scope with a use statement. Main function is entry point. Yep. Indicate there are no parameters in the curly brace starts the body of the function. Curly brace starts the body in motion. Fancy. So we got a macro here that does the thing, which is output. Next we'll create a variable. Okay, equals bind immediately. Let's growable UTF-8 encoded bit of text. Okay. Receiving user input. Stand-in dot read line. Huh. Then we have this expect statement, which was kind of, we presumed what it did. IO stand-in dot read line. So IO stand-in function dot read line. We're going to pass read line the mutable guess, which I guess is defined in line dot expect. So we have, okay, that's logical. They're suggesting white space to break up long lines when you call a method with the method name syntax. Okay. The result is an enumeration, often called an enum, which is a type that can be one of multiple possible states. Okay. So enums have variance. Results variance are okay and error. Okay. So, how is the result type? This is a result type. That's an expect method that you can call. Error value expect will cause program to crash and display the message that you passed as argument to expect. I keep hitting keys. Where were we? Handling failure with result. Variable to store. Okay, here's the ampersand. Instance of standard IO stand-in. Terminal input. Calls readline method on standard input handle. Full job of readline. Let's take whatever user types into standard input and put that into a string without overwriting its contents. String argument needs to be mutable, so the method can change string's contents. The ampersand initiates this as a reference, which gives you multiple parts you can access one piece of data without needing to copy it and remember it multiple times. References are complex. See, complex is safe and easy. I like that word. Complex, safe and easy. You don't need to know a lot of these details to finish the program. All you need to know, variables, references are immutable by default. Okay. So ampersand mute guess rather than and guess to make it mutable. Okay, handling potential failure with result. Expect. Result is an enumeration, also called enum. Variance. Variance are outcomes of enum. Results variance are error and okay. Value of the result type, like values of any type, have methods defined. Instance of result has an expect method that you can call. This instance of result is an error value. Expect will crash. Expect crashes a program. Displays message. Freeline method turns error when error operating system if instance of result okay. If you don't call expect, the program will compile, but you'll get warned. Unused result that must be used. And it references our mutable guess. Result may be an error variant, which should be handled on by default. Warn unused must use on by default. Use let underscore equal to ignore the resulting value. Add a standard read line. And guess, warning, guessing game. Generate a warning, okay. The right way to suppress a warning is to actually write error handling code. Okay. So what happens if we go to github.com/jimbrady/ I want peach fuzz or no. There we go, repos or not peach fuzz. Where is I want Honggfuzz. Okay. External fuzzle usage. Okay. 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 Let's get Honggfuzz, Google Fuzz. Let's see. Get, clone, paste, header, let's see. What did it come down as? Honggfuzz, what is it? Vagrant. There we go. LS. So now that we are, here's our lovely Rust stuff. Let's add bigger Honggfuzz. Let's see. We are not going to do this way. Okay, we're going to stop and come back to this live stream here in a minute. I need to refresh coffee, and we need to do a variety of housekeeping tasks to this stuff before it'll run this environment.